Hello, I'm Miles Tails per hour. We have been redirected to part 3 now. From the last video we found some 3 cases of different planet sizes, so now we can arrange in ascending order. As you wish. Once the size of planet has increased, then its gravitation speed will increase. Why is it impossible to live in Jupiter? You won't be able to jump or walk in the huge planet Jupiter, so the best planet we live in are Earth. Now, we move ahead to formulas, by referring the same thing from motion in a straight line, substituting from a to g. Then, for the velocity, v is equal to v naught plus gt. Also, the distance as a height h is equal to v naught t plus half times gt squared. Then for the acceleration due to gravity, v squared minus v naught squared equals 2gh. Same thing you can try, just like if initial velocity is at 0, that means body initially at rest. Then v is equal to gt. Also, h equals half gt squared. Also, v squared is equal to 2gh. If you like that, you can refer to the topic motion in a straight line. Before starting the next part called gravitation between two planets, we'd like to give you some questions. Here's the first question for you. How long will it take if the object is dropped from a height of 50 meters? Take the gravity of Earth approximately 10 meters per second squared. The answer is 3.162 seconds, where its velocity reaches 31 meters per second. Next question, what happens if the speed changes rather than Earth in the previous question? Take the height to be same, suppose in the Moon. The answer is 12.73 meters per second as we go to the Moon. Its time taken is quite longer. And for the third question, find the maximum height if the object comes to rest from 30 meters per second on Earth. The answer is 45 meters. That's why we do the same thing about the formulas. Like, comment, and subscribe now.